Hi, I'm Marna, and Darren said last Saturday, let's go to the antique mall and walk there. We try to take a walk every day, and we try to take a bicycle ride every day. Doesn't always happen, and sometimes the weather doesn't allow it, but we try. So we've been going to the antique mall for quite a while now, off and on, time and time again. And lately, I just haven't found anything, and they seem to be expensive and picked over, and nothing really struck my fancy till yesterday. Oh my goodness, it was like I wanted like 3 times this amount, but I was trying to be a good person about it. Where am I putting this stuff? But when I saw this chair, I love these. I actually use this. I think this one is, this is our generation. I actually use these for my dolls, and this is in working condition. When I do my American Girl and Our Generation girls, the My Life, any of the 18-inch dolls, and a lot of the shorter different dolls, I put them in here after I wash their hair, but I put them in backwards. I put their legs through here, and I strap this around their waist, and then I can do their hair this way, and if they have long hair, the chair doesn't interfere with it drying. $2. 2. Then they have this one right next to it, and it also works. And who is this one made by? I think this might be, just says made in China. I do not see a name on it. If you know, let me know. Somebody, this is a fabric. This is a fabric, like it would dry fast fabric. Let's see what this tag says. All new materials. Cameo. I don't know who made it, but I was glad to have it in the smaller doll size. $1. How could I leave these behind? I mean, really, how could I leave those behind? They had, the antique mall we go to is like vintage, antique, and I don't know, they're getting just stuff in there now. Kind of like, more and more of the antique malls are more like flea market type thing. But seriously, how cute are these? Happy New Year with the hair clip. And I'll bet a few of you are thinking, ooh, Blythe. Actually, that would be cute on any doll or any human. It's just cute. These were $1 each, and I got 3. I wanted more, but I did not. Aren't they cute? So those will be fun. I've said before, and I'll say again, Darren and I celebrate many, many holidays, and I like to put stuff out, to decorate for even like New Year's, Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day, Cinco de Mayo. We put stuff out. They had this bin, like, storage tub full of beads and stuff. Well, I don't really need any, but I wanted to make some of those candy canes with my beginner crafters, who are not beginners anymore, so I call them long distance crafters. And these beads, they're those, I don't know if you can see that in the corner. They have like 3 sides to them, and they stack. And you make stuff out of them out of wire, and you manipulate the wire. You can make dolls or candy canes. Well, I was going to make those this year, but they're so expensive, these beads, anymore. Well, of course, after it was too late, I found these. But guess what? I put stuff up, and I'll pull those out this year. This was just a good buy. What does it say? $5 for e-beads. I thought these would be real cute for the long distance crafters to put flowers on a dress for Barbie or somebody. I just thought it's cute. And then this, I'll be using pretty quickly. Can you see all the little heart shape beads in that? These are pony beads, but it had a lot of heart shape, and I'm always looking for that kind of stuff for the crafters. And then this was some more of the what are they actually called? Doesn't say. crafting beads, that's all it says. Anyway, and all kinds of different colors, so I got that too. Just good deals. Like some of these were 53 cents, I think. Oh, and then they had this cord, this crafting cord. Can you see that across my, and that'll be good for the back of Blythe dolls for their eye mechanisms if I go to add or change those. I mean, this was 50 cents. I wasn't going to leave that. And they had 3 yards of this, it's like, I don't know, 4-inch lace, gathered lace, which is so hard to find anymore, for $2.50. You can cut these off and make skirts for Barbie or, you know, your different dolls. It's also cute on stuff. You can put that over fabric. I like Beanie Babies. They had these cheap enough. This is not a Beanie Baby, but it's a turkey, and we put turkeys and stuff out at Thanksgiving on our shelves. Like I said, we just put stuff out. This was real cute. I think this is Batat. I'm looking to see if there is a marking on it. I don't see it, but I have the 18-inch doll horses. Love them. They also have an 18-inch doll horse there, Batat. Should have bought it, but like I said, I'm running, well, I have run out of room. But I mean, really, pink and gold. This was $2. I wasn't going to leave it. This, I did not need. I was not going to leave. I think they have quit making these. Correct me if I'm wrong. But these are the little 8-inch My Life dolls. I got these for $1.75 each in the box, never taken out. And I really like these 8-inch. I actually have the American Girl 8-inch that I kind of collect, but I wasn't going to leave these at $1.75. And then this was quite the buy. I went in this booth and they had Barbies in the box. I saw fashionistas for, I think it was $4.50. I saw all kinds of Barbies in the boxes. Really good deal. Cheaper than retail, even at Walmart. But I just, honest to goodness, I'm out of room and I'm really trying to be responsible. But I could not leave these 2 girls for $2.50. But look at the difference. These are the same dolls. Look at the difference in their faces, how their paint is applied. And this is why I don't like dolls that you can't see, where you have to open the box before you see what you get. I like picking out the faces. But $2.50 each, just a great deal. And then this was just cute. This will be for one of my little 18-inch dolls. It actually lights up, and I haven't even looked at it to see if there's a battery in it. But this cute little red lantern, wouldn't that be cute for one of them in a cloak to hold? Like it's at going out caroling at Christmas time. I thought it was cute. And then I know that you see, when you look at me, an old lady. Okay, I get it. I see it in the mirror. But my soul is still very young. I mean, like, very young. And I like to kick it up and have fun and wear fun things. And I found these. And I am all about fringe, always have been. These are actual suede boots. Oh, I love them. Over the knee. In my size. And they had them marked. And I made an offer. I offered them $35. No, I offered them $30. and they came back with 35, and Darren threw them. I mean, like, tossed them into the cart. I love them. But there is something else in this bag. I thought these were the last thing. Oh, there's a couple things. Oh, I forgot about these. Look at these. I think I paid $3.95 or $4.50 for these. These are for an 18-inch doll, such as our generation, or My Life As, or American Girl. Now, they're high heels, but they're platinum, so that the doll would be able to wear those without the doll falling forward, you know, like some people do, me. I just thought those were really cute. If they would have had 2 pair of those, I would have bought 2 pair of those. And then there's this. This was $3, and it might be a little small for my puppy girl, but we're gonna find out. How cute is that? Oh. Just adorable. But you know who else that'll fit? One of my a 1/3 size BJDs. So get out and do something fun today. Anything. Take a walk. Can't go outside? Walk around your house. Stay active. Love life. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.